Okay, Maximus, you're a good boy. I'll be back in 1 week. Thanks a lot. Have a nice week.
How was your conference in Vienna?
Fine. I even got new glasses for the occasion. To look more clever.
Nice. Did you get a fancy hotel?
No. I had to share an Airbnb with Germans.
Germans.
German scientists.
Hey guys, wie geht's?
Was? Magst du mitspielen?
Nein, danke.
Das Bier im Kühlschrank.
Gleich später. Tschüss. Conferences. I am so aware about how I stand in space, just observing people trapped in my own body. I have to show different versions of myself, but I don't know which one to choose from. Why do we meet? Maybe because we crave sensations. They have a word for that. Hyperesthesia. By the way, did I close the window when I left home?
Luke, you're not so shy. After all, you talk to me.
Yeah. But I don't have to sound smart with you. Yeah, one moment. Your success?
Somebody might still come.
I think it's closing.
Man, I put so much effort in this.
I know. Me too. So what's about the seismic velocity in Ireland?
Would you like to know more about it?
Sure.
Cool. So here you see a lot of model of Ireland based on this data.
It was with ambient noise?
Exactly. Are you also looking at it?
Yeah, but more on environmental applications.
I'm not sure why you came today. It sounds like a successful trip.
But no one came to my poster.
You're missing the point. For one moment, you forgot you felt alone. This is what matters.
So what about my science?
You will try again next year. The German scientist should tell you, eins nach dem anderen.
Fair enough.
So what are your plans for next month?
Well, It's almost summer.